Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Kakadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely, and shalom to the Akim, scattered four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say shalom to the Akim out there, and this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out. This was a news story from earlier today with the markets at the Wall Street over there in New York City, the stocks exchange. And this is from financial.yahoo.com. And this was published by Karen Farah and Josh Scalfer as of Wednesday, September 6th, 3:05 p.m. Central Time, a 1-minute read ago. And it reads, it says, stocks slide as worries about inflation revival. Stock market news today. Pause that. And it says stocks fell on Wall Street on Wednesday as another losing day in the short week came, and lingering concerns about inflation spurs about the Federal Reserve will decide to cut interest rate anytime soon. The S&P 500 finished down about 0.7%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped about 0.6%. The tech-heavy NASDAQ Composite plummeted over 1%. It says the WTI crude oil is trading around its highest level since November, and another 1% Wednesday after Saudi Arabia and Russia stuck with output cuts. That reignites worries about sticky inflation and weight on the stocks, help pushing all three major U.S. stocks to closer lower on Tuesday. It says with the Fed September 20 meeting on the horizon, investors are debating whether those prices pressure will convince policymakers to keep rates higher longer. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article as of September 6, 2023 at 3:05 p.m. And it reads again from Yahoo Finance at finance.yahoo.com as the markets crumbled for a second time, because I remember I did a sit-down lesson on this yesterday as well too. So I believe this is the second day in this whole week where the markets have crashed due to the worries about a potential interest rates might continue to increase rather than it being cut, while I believe the Feds, which is the Federal Reserve, they're going to have a meeting in September the 20th, which is a couple more weeks from away, which not that long, but like I'll say about a good 2-3 more weeks once they have that meeting, as they continue to discuss with the inflation they have to deal with, because the markets, they react what's going on with the economically and what's of the announcement what the Federal Reserve going to make from an economical standpoint. So the markets that reacts to either from a positive gain or a negative gain. So we're going to see how that plays out. But as of right now, we see the markets have crashed for because the markets crashed again for a second straight day within this whole new week, week of September, the early months, and the early weeks of September. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying. I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Kakadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.